This gaming phone got busted for cheating, and here's what the brand says in defense. Nubia has responded after its Red Magic 11 Pro phones were delisted from a benchmark database. The company claimed that it views benchmarking as an indicator of potential performance under controlled high-load conditions. This comes after a YouTube channel found a huge performance gap between standard and disguised versions of the 3D Mark app. The Red Magic 11 Pro phones were just delisted from a benchmark database due to apparent benchmark manipulation. Now the phone maker has revealed its side of the story. UL Solutions, the company behind the 3D Mark benchmark app, recently delisted the Red Magic 11 Pro phones. An accompanying banner announcing the delisting noted that the manufacturer didn't comply with benchmark rules. This move also comes weeks after a YouTube channel posted some concerning benchmark results for the Red Magic 11 Pro. The Japanese-language Sadio channel found that the phone had much higher scores when running the standard benchmark app compared to a stealth/disguised version. The phone also apparently failed to complete the standard stress test while reaching peak temperatures of 55 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees higher than the stealth benchmark app. Now, Nubia has responded to the delisting in an emailed response to an Android Authority query. There's nothing wrong with manufacturers identifying specific apps and games and adjusting performance accordingly. This would ideally ensure good responsiveness, reasonable temperatures and longer battery life. However, identifying benchmark apps in order to deliver virtually unthrottled performance compared to other apps is generally considered cheating or manipulation. You simply won't experience this level of performance in other apps, short of APK spoofing. What's particularly notable is that these Red Magic phones are equipped with cooling fans and a liquid cooling system, yet Nubia still allowed the device to apparently run full tilt to the point that it had to shut down the benchmark app due to safety reasons. For what it's worth, our own Red Magic 11 Pro benchmarks conducted last year revealed temperatures of up to 56 degrees Celsius. However, the phone still completed both the Wildlife Extreme and Solar-based stress tests.
Examination of the first mass-produced smartphone with liquid cooling. The built-in motor drives the cooling, controllable through the setting. The visible flowing liquid gives the transparent version a distinctive, futuristic look. The system features the industry's largest 13,116 square millimeters vapor chamber and the signature, upgraded 24,000 RPM waterproof turbofan. Let's now go back to the box. Inside, you'll find the essentials, all neatly organized. Holding the device, you immediately notice the stunning quality and engineering. Its sleek and unique design features a flat back and a rear RGB frame strip. The aesthetic is clean and comfortable, designed without a camera bar. Color options include Sub-Zero, Night Freeze, Cryo. These design elements align with the phone's core theme, signaling power and performance. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and the upgraded Red Magic Red Core R4 gaming chip, your games stay blazing fast. The device is built to dominate, ensuring faster multitasking, quicker loading times, and smoother gameplay. The 11 Pro offers a full suite of physical hardware. You get the customizable Magic Key, the 520Hz shoulder triggers, and a 3.5mm audio jack, all integrated for superior control. The premium stereo speakers deliver powerful audio for an immersive gaming experience. When you enter game space and take control, you unlock a suite of gaming tools that adapt to your style. The BOE X10 AMOLED display brings stunning, redefined reality to your visuals. Now, looking at daily usability and protection. The phone is built to be practical with an IPX8 rating and unique dust-proof design. Security is handled by a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint unlock, which is sensitive and precise. The 7,500 mAh battery is built for battle. You can charge up safely and efficiently with 80-watt wired and wireless fast charging, and even use the 11 Pro to wirelessly charge other devices. Smart AI elevates your daily tasks. Google Gemini and Red Magic AI Input offer numerous functions to make your digital life easier and more convenient. It's an elite machine engineered for domination, with a futuristic design. Ignite the next gen.